Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Differential equations look intimidating, but you can solve this specific problem in under 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps. Let us dive right in now. To solve this differential equation, we first isolate the variables, move all y terms to the left and x terms to the right to prepare for integration. Let us go. Now integrate both sides. The integral of 1 over 1 plus y squared is the arctangent of y, while the integral of dx is simply x plus a constant. Boom, done! Finally, use the initial condition to find c. Plugging in pi over 4 for x and 0 for y gives c equals negative pi over 4. Solving for y works.
Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOV. Never drop constant C or flip signs, always apply arctan, and verify your initial conditions.